How to create a Facebook account. You can create a Facebook account easily by following these steps. First of all, make sure to download the Facebook app from the App Store for iPhone or Google Play Store for Android. Once you have downloaded the app, open the app on your mobile device and tap on the Create New Facebook Account. Once you tap on it, you can see Get Started option available in the blue box. Tap on it. Now here you will have to enter your first name and last name. Enter your first name and last name, tap on the next then. After done so, you'll be navigated to enter your birthday. Enter your birth date and tap next option available there. You can simply choose your date of birth. Now after that, select your gender and tap on the next option available there. Once you tap on the next, you'll be navigated to enter your mobile number, or you can simply tap on the sign up with email and enter your email address according to your preferences. So now I am entering the mobile number and tapping on the next option available there. Now all you have to do is create a strong password and tap next option available there. Make sure to create a strong password which nobody can access. Then tap on the save if you want to save your login info. Then again tap on the I agree. Now simply enter the confirmation or verification code of your mobile number. The mobile number you just entered, enter the verification code and tap on the next option available there. Once verified, you can set up your profile by adding a profile picture, cover photo and other details. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.